Hello everybody, happy Monday and welcome to our math session today. So today we are going to carry on thinking about counting on like we were yesterday with our number line, but this time we are going to do it slightly different. But we're going to warm up our brains first. So the first thing we're going to do is play a game. Now I'm just going to move myself here. There we go. So you can see here, we've done this before, but I think you're going to be brilliant at it now because yesterday we were thinking all about starting counting from different points on our number line, which is exactly what this is. So here you've got a few numbers. It's basically like a mini number line, but it's missing some of the numbers and we have got to fill them in. So let's figure out the first one. So the first number is 1. This one we can do with our eyes closed. We know this one. If it starts at 1, dead easy, we can do it. Ready? 1, what comes next? 2, 3, 4, 5, what's going to come next? 6, 7. Absolutely, we did that one so easily, didn't we? The next one starts on number 4. So we're going to start with number 4. We're not starting with 1, so put 4 in your head and we're going to carry on. 4, 5, brilliant. Now we can check that we're doing it right because the next number should be 6. 4, 5, 6, brilliant. What comes next? 7, 8, 9, and 10. Brilliant, well done. Now this time we need to put number 5 in our head and carry on. We're going to count on from 5. So start with 5. We're going to go 5. What comes next? 5, 6. Now this one, it's giving us less, so let's hope we're right. 6, 7. The next number will be 8. Then let's check if we're right, because if so, it should be 9. 9, 10, absolutely. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Brilliant. The last one, now this one's a bit tricky. It gives us a 4, but that's not what it starts with. So let's go from 4, let's go all the way up, and then we'll see if we can work out what the one before was. So we're going to start with 4. Put 4 in our heads, we're going to count on from 4. 4, 5, so we're going to put that one here. So we're going to keep going up. 5, 6, next comes, so one more than 6 is 7, then 8, 9, brilliant, but we've got to fit in that first one, don't we? So if it comes this side of 4, imagine it's like a big number line. So what's going to be 1 less than 4? 1 less than 4, we're going to take one away, it's going to be 3. Absolutely. Now let's double check by counting all the way up from 3. Let's put 3 in your head, we're going to count on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. We did it perfectly. Well done. Okay, let's move on. So today we're going to keep thinking about counting on, but we're going to do it in a special way. We are going to tell a story and it's going to help us to count on and to add numbers together. So this story today is all about a bus. It's all about a bus and different people are going to get on our bus. And then we've got to work out how many people are on the bus because when the bus stops at different places, different people are going to get on. And we need to make sure that there's only 10 seats, aren't there? So we've got to make sure that it doesn't go above 10. Let's double check that we do have 10 seats in our bus. Now I can see what looks like a tens frame, but we always need to check, don't we? So let's count it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Brilliant. So now we know there are 10 spaces on the bus. Let's start our story. So one day a big red bus was driving down the road and it was empty. There was nobody on it. So first there were 0 people on the bus. So here it says first, and in this box we're going to write 0. There's nobody on our bus, is there? There's nobody on our bus. The bus carried on. Then 2 people got on our bus. So then 2 people, so we're going to write a 2 here. 2 people got on our bus. So let's put 2 people on our bus. We're going to put 1 here and we're going to put 1 here because they've gone straight up to the top deck of the bus. 2 people are on our bus. So first, there was nobody. There was 0 people on the bus. Then 2 people got on our bus. Now, how many people are on our bus? We started with 0. We added 2 people. How many people are now on our bus? Have a look. 1, 2. How many people are on our bus? 2. Now there are 2 people. Oh, that was a very interesting 2, wasn't it? Let me try that one again. Okay, let's try it again. Now there are 2 people on our bus. And this shows us a number sentence, just like we were doing yesterday. So let's write it out again. We've got 0, because first there were 0 people on the bus. We then added 2 people, didn't we? And now we have, it equals 2 people. Can you see that, look? First there was 0, then we added 2, and now it equals 2. Okay, let's try another one. So this time, the bus is going to carry on. We've got 2 people on the bus. It's going to keep going along the road. And it passes trees, it passes fields, it even passes a little cow in the field looking at the beautiful landscape. And the bus then stops at the next bus stop. At the next bus stop, 3 more people get onto the bus. So let's put 3 people on. Are you ready? Now this chap's going to go on the bottom. And then we're going to have 2. And this one's going to go here. 3. So we had 2, didn't we? So let's pop that in. We started with how many people on the bus? First, there were 2 people on the bus, weren't there? Then, how many more people got on? 3 more people got on the bus, didn't they? So first, there were 2 people. Then, there were 3 people. Now, how many people are on the bus? Have a look. Now, the way that they're sat looks a little bit like a pneumocon piece, doesn't it? That we recognise. What happens if I show you this pneumocon piece? Does it look a bit like that? It's up the other way, isn't it? But it looks a bit like that. So how many people do you think, how many people do you guess this is? If you look at that pneumocon piece. It looks like 5, doesn't it? Shall we check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Absolutely. 5 people. So now, how many people are on the bus? 5. Now there are 5 people on the bus. So let's have a go at writing out the number sentence again. First, there were 2 people. Then we added 3 people. And now, how many people are there? That equals 5 people. Absolutely. Wonderful. Okay. Let's try again. Now I'm going to keep the 5 people on the bus. I think these 5 people are going to keep going on their journey. They haven't gone off yet. So first, how many people are on the bus now? First, there were 5 people because we've got 5 people on our bus. The bus carries on. Oh, what happened there? Let's just get rid of that top bit. Got a bit excited. So first there were 5 people on the bus. The bus carried on going. It went over a bridge, it went through a tunnel, and then it stopped at the next bus stop. At the next bus stop, 4 people got on the bus. This is a very busy bus stop. 4 people got on the bus. So we're going to put 4 more people on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So first, there were 5 people. Then, how many more did we put on? Then there were 4 people that got on. Now, how many people are there going to be? Let's use our number line this time to help us. So have a look. What number have we started with? We started with number 5. So, first there were 5 people. Then, how many people got on the bus? Remember this one? Then 4 people got on the bus. So we are going to start at number 5. We're going to count on 4 more people. Now, that doesn't mean that we just go and find the number 4. We need to jump 4 times, like you were jumping along your number line yesterday. So we're starting on 5. We're going to jump 4 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. What number have we landed on? What number have we landed on? Number 9. So now, how many people do you think they're going to be on the bus? 9. Shall we check? Let's count our bus. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We were right. The other way that we could have checked is we could have used our Numicon, couldn't we? So let's have a look. Let's get our Numicon 9 piece. Does it look the same? It does, doesn't it? It's just over the other way, but it does look the same. So we know, we definitely know there are 9 people. So let's move this out of the way. And let's just, let me just rub this bit out so that we don't have some random lines. There we go. So let's go back to our writing. We said first there were 5, then 4 more got added. Now there are 9 people on the bus. Do you think we can even write it in a number sentence? I reckon we can. See if you can write it with me. So we said, first, there were 5 people on the bus. We added 4 more people, didn't we? Now, that equals how many people? 9 people all together. And there's a wonderful number sentence. Okay, right then. This next one, we're going to take some of these people away. So some people have got off our bus this time. So let's take these people away. So we're going to do another one. So a few people have got off the bus at that bus stop, but our bus doesn't finish there. It carries on its route. It keeps going. This time it goes over a river and it even sees some little ducks swimming on the river. It keeps going through a forest. It comes out the forest and it stops at another bus stop. So let's have a look. How many people are on the bus now? So first, how many people are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First, there were 6 people. Then, I wonder how many people are going to get on at this stop. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4 people get on our bus. Then 4 people get on our bus. Now, how many people are there? Now, there's a couple of ways you could use your clever maths brains to help you. You could have a look and see this tens frame is full. So how many people do you think it's going to be? You could also think 6 and 4. 6 and 4. Last week we were doing our numbers and putting them together, weren't we? We had a 6 and we had a 4. And all together that makes 10, doesn't it? Do you remember 6 and 4 are our number bonds? They go together to make 10, don't they? It also, we've said it filled our tens frame. So there looks like there's 10 here. 6 and 4 we know makes 10. So what do you think our answer is going to be? Now there are 10. Shall we double check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Absolutely. There are now 10 people on our bus. Well done. Fantastic work. So today, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to have a go at this game. I've put the bus template on the website. You can print it off, or if you don't have a printer, you can draw it. And then you don't have to use people. You could use anything. You could use toy people. You could use pasta. You could use stones from outside. And I want you to tell a story, or ask your grown-up to tell a story, and have a go at doing first, then, and now. And if you feel like it, maybe you could even write me a number sentence. So enjoy your bus stories, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.